So let's go into another try, and right now I'm going to go on the audio effects and choose right now on the multiband. Take this one out, and this is the multiband. So you can see here right now on the left side we have 3 sections, and on the right side we got another sections. On the left, let's go and start from the left. We have the low, which is going to show us the low band, and on the mid we have the mid band section, and on the high we have the high band section. If I go and solo it and solo this one, each section has its own band, and I can go here, for example, and overdo it. Let's go, for example, like this, and we'll have much more info. And this is the really low end. Let's go and put this one on 85, and the mid, and the high again. And we have here on the left side we have an expander. This is going to work as an expander, and on the right side it's going to work as a compressor. A really quick overview here on the right side. On the compression side we have how much attack and how much release every band should have. So right now let's go and say, for example, I want to have a really quick attack here on the low band and put it on 18 or maybe like 15, and a really slow release, let's say like 80, like 65, and let's go and solo it. And if I go on the left side, you are going to see here that the threshold is this one that goes like minus 32.2 right now, and I can increase the ratio like from this here, or from up, or from down here. If I go down sides, it's going to increase the ratio. Let's go and bring it back again, and right now it will sound a bit distorted if I go and overdo it. Right now I brought it back again, and you can do also the same things with it above, but what I want to show you is something else. Let's go and put another multiband dynamics, and right now I'm going to show you a trick that a lot of people do not know. Go here and right click and group it, and if I go and click here, we can see that we have this chain. Duplicate it, right click and duplicate, or Command T, and let's go and make this one, write this one as high, make this one mid, and make this one low. And if I go here on every section and deactivate the other two and make it solo, and now this one here, deactivate the other two and make it solo, and again here deactivate these two and make it solo. And I'm going to bypass it to see if we can hear any difference. We can hear some here. If I go on the highs, we have to double check it. Let's go and deactivate the low. And now here, let's go and put them back again, but deactivate here from the bypass. Okay, so now we have fixed it, and the thing that I want to show you is, let's say for example that you want to add some distortion or some saturation here on the mids or on the lows. Let's go and make an experiment. I'm going to use a saturator, But this time I'm going to put the saturator on the mid section, on the mid band, and here on the right side, not exactly on the audio effect from the rack. I'm going to choose only this mid, and if I go here, for example, you're not going to see it. We have here only on the mid and not on the low. And I want to go and push a little bit here to see if we can make the drums to cut through a little bit more. And what I like here, I can go and mix it in. And this is a really nice trick because right now we have some reverby kind of thing that's going on the drums on the background, and we give it a bit more space with just a saturator. We are not adding any reverb, we are only manipulating the sound that the drum already has. And here I can go and turn it down a bit. I think you can hear right away such a big difference that this technique makes. You can go, for example, and let's say I want to compress a bit here the lows, and let's go and use a glue compressor. And this time I'm going to go on the lows, put the glue compressor here, and my goal here is to go and attenuate and just the transients just a little bit here. So I just did a really quick attack and a really quick release, and let's go and solo it. No makeup, nothing, I just want to compress the transients. You can hear right away that it makes such a big difference, and if I want to go, I can go and mix it in again. This is what I love about this technique, that you can always go and mix everything in. I think that sweet spot right now is on 35%. And let's go and test also how this could work in this piano section that we have here on this part. Let's go and make this one again. And I'm going to add again the multiband here. Now let's go and group it again. The same thing, 3 times. And now here we have on the piano, and it sounds like this. And this time let's go here on the highs and add a saturator to make the piano to pop a little bit more. Let's go and drive it. And right now you can hear that we have a bit more this kind of noise from the piano, that it is like a vinyl noise. play with it a little bit. Let's turn down the output a little bit. And now let's go and have a listen. And let's go and bypass it to see if we actually made it a little bit better. I can say right away that when we enable the saturator, we make the piano to sound much better and to sound more also coherent with the drums, like it belongs there. So this is just a simple technique, but if you go and try it, you will think that why didn't I know this earlier? Thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial.